In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FTP account on Plesk. This is an essential skill that will allow you to manage files on your server efficiently, providing specific users with access to designated directories while keeping everything organized and secure. So, let's get right into it. To begin, you'll first need to log in to your Plesk control panel. This is the central hub where you manage your hosting account, so if you're familiar with Plesk, navigating it should be relatively straightforward. If this is your first time using Plesk, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly with most options conveniently accessible through the dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be gearing up to create that FTP account. Next, let's navigate to the FTP settings. On your Plesk dashboard, you'll see a menu option labeled Websites and Domains. Click on that, and it will list all the domains associated with your account. Now, select the specific domain for which you wish to create an FTP account. At first, it might seem a bit overwhelming if you have multiple domains, but take your time to ensure you're modifying the correct one. Once you've identified your chosen domain, look under the Files and Databases section where you'll find an option called FTP Access. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the right spot, it's time to add a new FTP account. You'll notice an option that says Add an FTP account. Click on it to begin creating your FTP credentials. Here, you'll need to fill in several important details. Start with the FTP account name. This will be the username the account holder will use to log in, so pick something clear and descriptive. Next, you'll need to choose a home directory. This is the folder within your domain's file structure that the FTP account will access when logging in. Select a directory that makes sense for the user's role or needs. Security is crucial when managing FTP accounts, so you'll also need to set a strong password for the account. Make sure it's unique and robust to prevent unauthorized access. Plesk may provide some guidelines or even a password generator to help you create a secure password. Additionally, you have a couple of optional settings to consider. You can set a hard disk quota to limit how much space this FTP user can occupy, which can be helpful in managing server resources. Furthermore, you have the option to grant read and/or write permissions. Decide if the user should be able to view files, modify them, or both based on their responsibilities and your security policies. Once you've entered all of these details and double-checked for accuracy, the final step is to save your new FTP account. Simply click OK, and your changes will be applied. Congratulations, you've successfully created an FTP account on Plesk. You can now share these credentials with the appropriate user, allowing them to log in and work within their designated directory.